Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing a new handheld vacuum stick vacuum cleaner. This is from ALDI, Stirling Handheld vacuum cleaner. So I was surprised that for $139 they are giving this stick vacuum cleaner with the 3 years warranty, and whereas I previously had Dyson V6, and this is around 4-year old, and it was for $450 I paid for. But now even the V15 model, that is around $1,000, and the lowest one in the market you can find is V7 model, which is again around $500. So the thing is, the Dyson is giving 2 years warranty, whereas this Aldi product, comes with the 3 years warranty. The only thing is, because this is quickly sold and this is not always available, this is on the specials from Aldi. You have to be very quick, go in the morning, then you can get that. So in this video I will be showing you, like, is $139 product, is it worth it or no, and what is inside the box. So please keep watching this video, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Let's see what's inside the box. So let me see what is inside the box. This is Stirling Premium Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, and let's see, is it as good as like Dyson, or whether you need to save the money, or it is just a waste of money. So this is the manual, instructions manual, and this is the vacuum cleaner, and it has a same size 500 ml dustpan. So as you can see, it's not noisy, so looks good. And this is the charging stand. You can stick it to the wall, and so this is the floor cleaner, and this is the long stick which will be attached to here. And this is a brush nozzle, and this is revise nozzle. So it is pretty much same accessories which comes with the Dyson. So I have attached that. So now I have checked that it has quite a good suction power. So I hope you enjoy this video. I would suggest you go for that. There is a 3 years warranty from Aldi for this vacuum cleaner. So try that for $139. There is no point to waste over $500 to $1,000 on the Dyson vacuum cleaner. So it is my suggestion, try that.